Experience the future of logistics. See how Gemini 3 Pro builds safe, stable 3D cargo digital twins using advanced spatial reasoning. Watch Smart Stow AI in action. Stowage planning is a $100 billion challenge. Inefficient loading doesn't just waste space. A high center of gravity leads to catastrophic accidents on our roads and oceans. Traditional manual planning can no longer keep up with modern safety demands. Introducing Smart Stow AI, the 3D digital twin for industrial logistics. Our platform offers a powerful dual-engine approach. Switch instantly between high-speed algorithmic packing and Gemini AI-powered spatial reasoning to find the perfect load balance for any manifest. Gemini 3 Pro isn't just calculating, it's reasoning. Watch as it intelligently identifies heavy generators to act as a stable base, while placing fragile electronics safely on top. This red marker visualizes the center of gravity, ensuring the plan is physically stable before operations begin. Welcome to Smart Stowage AI. This tool uses Gemini 3 Pro and 3.0.0 to solve complex 3D cargo packing problems with industrial precision. First, define the space. Choose from ISO container presets, Euro trucks, or input custom dimensions for your specific vessel. Next, we load the manifest. This sample includes diverse items, from heavy generators to fragile electronics. Running the algorithmic engine quickly packs items into layers. Use the 3D twin to inspect utilization and total weight instantly. Now, let's switch to the Gemini AI engine. This approach uses advanced spatial reasoning to optimize beyond simple math. Gemini evaluates the manifest holistically, considering stability and safety constraints while calculating optimal 3D coordinates in real time. The result shows intelligent placement with heavy items at the base. The red marker tracks the center of gravity, ensuring a safe, stable load. By combining high-fidelity digital twins with the spatial intelligence of Gemini 3, we ensure every load is safe, stable, and fully optimized. Reduce risks, save costs, and transform your logistics workflow. Smart Stow AI, the future of stowage, powered by Gemini 3.